The Health Ministry is still on the defensive in relation to concerns at Cornwall Regional Hospital and what was done to protect workers and patients. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton held a press conference this morning dismissing arguments that workers were exposed to cancer-causing mold at the facility. TVJ's Herman Green has that report.
Flanked by technocrats and specialists, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton again dismissed recent arguments that workers and patients were exposed to cancer-causing molds at the Cornwall Regional Hospital because the Health Ministry did not respond quickly to a report from the Pan American Health Organization, PAHO. The team reiterated that while air quality complaints were being made about the building for over a decade, the PAHO report about molds was received on March 23, 2017. It showed that 9 different types of molds were detected in the external atmosphere at Cornwall Regional Hospital, while 5 were detected on the interior of the facility. However, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa-McKenzie says there is no need for concern.
Now, Stachybotrys penicillium and Aspergillus species are known to produce toxins. Spores of Stachybotrys species were not detected in the air in the areas that were investigated. Aspergillus penicillium were detected on the 4th and the 5th floor, but aside from the recovery room, all the levels were lower than the external average.
External environmental specialists and the ministry's environmental unit also did an independent assessment of the mold found. Additionally, Dr. Tufton said, in light of the PAHO report, measures were immediately taken to remove workers and patients from that area.
And I make that point and want to stress that point because there is a sentiment being expressed out there, erroneously so, inaccurately so, that the management and the ministry kept persons in an environment that placed them at risk, and we willingly did it, and we were negligent as a consequence. And I just want to say that that is not the case.
By their assessment, he says the ministry acted in the fastest possible time to responsibly remove patients and workers. He points out that relocation was done for as far as it was practical, utilizing the neighboring Western Seventh-day Adventist Conference Center for outpatient clinics. Labs were put on the outside, and the Mount Salem Clinic was converted to accommodate accident and emergency cases. Herman Green, TVJ News.